So how critically important is it to do a job search, apply, follow up email, and track application according to TS4U's proven framework?
Yes, so after entering the job market, so those exact words that Sarjas used, those are very important because sometimes like any of the candidate, they applied a job and then the hiring manager get back to us after 2 months and then we literally forgot why do we just apply, what was the job description. So being tracked with everything, every application, write it down, that sir will just provide that one, just Excel sheet, write it down, the company name, the job item, like the job title, salary, full-time or part-time, everything is being written, and that will help us if any of that company or the hiring manager come after 2 months, then I can just went through that Excel sheet and then I figure it out. The same exact thing happened with me. I just applied for this position like 1.5 months back, and then they just came back to me after 1.5 months. And then I just think, okay, when I just applied there, when, and then I just went through that Excel sheet, then I just found, okay, so I just applied here on March, and then now they are just getting, back to me. So this is the most important thing, to tracking your each and every step. And then, the follow-up, yes, of course, like the follow-up email, sometimes we just got, after we applied any position, we just got an automation email. There is a do not reply. So instant that one, sometimes you will find, like either LinkedIn or Dice, you will find that hiring manager email ID or that contact information. So after you applied, after 1 week, you can just, follow up the email. And this is important because nowadays, one position, 100 or the 200 applicant will apply. So within this 200 applicant, there is no way to figure it out your resume. So if you just follow up an email and your hiring manager just check that email, then he just, some click on his mind, he just found, okay, so this is the candidate who applied. Let me just go and just see what was her resume. So this is the best and the most important thing after you apply. That's just shoot the follow-up email. And then, like, there is no harm if hiring manager will see or no, but this is our duty to make it a best practice, because not only here after we just getting our job, this is also be important, or the best practice. We have to send every day the follow-up email to my hiring manager, to my manager, my lead, my other team members. So why not we can just start practicing from here. So yeah, this is the follow-up. And then stay communicate. If hiring manager get back to us, we have to stay communicate. And like, of course, each and every step before we take, we have to discuss with sir. We have to take an advice, because sir, he knows how's the job market, how's that market going on. So this is the good thing to sir is the person who can just tell us the right way to do everything, even though they're typing the email, because we just did a lot of mistake. Our wording is not appropriate for the hiring manager. So this is all of my experience. So I just faced everything. So that's why I know better. So our wording, our like the way we just create it, this is not a right thing for the hiring manager or for the lead, because the hiring manager or for the lead, they have like 30 years of working experience. So right after they just saw our email, they know our condition, or they know our experience level. So this is a bad thing. We just write it down and just send it to you. So this is the good thing. Write it down, send it to sir. Sir will just modify you that email in the right way, and then it's good to send them.
Yep. So again, this is important. Summarize a few things. In the job market, basically you represent me. I do everything. All you're just delivering. It's like my private coach is delivering the bootcamp. Behind the scene, I am actually doing everything. So the goal is so that whoever you are communicating, they know you are expert. Okay? They know they look at you things different way. They observe different way. They perform their analysis different way. Because as she said, if you just do it, and if I read it, I say, oh, not the candidate I am looking for. Because everything in the first perspective, senior engineer, right? This email is not the person someone can claim as a senior. So everybody looks on your communication, how you do the follow-up, right? How you write an email, how you say no on something. how you answer something you don't know it, then but you actually propose or present in a way that is actually the catch on their attention. So it's very important. To me, that's the very easy way to do this. But many students, they don't do it. I don't know. So they're in the same loop. They don't understand why. But this is the reason. Simple steps, but only we know. The hiring manager knows. I know. That's the showstopper that you are not moving anywhere. Things are not moving because the way you communicate is not up to our standard. Okay. Even though we don't say we communicate the best, but when I read something, I read from the 6-7 the point of views, okay, that you do not have that experience yet, you do not have that level of competency yet. That's the reason you come to us, you pay us, you engage us, that makes your life easy, makes your journey the easier, and then you become expert at the same time, basically.